Medical services across our country have been reporting several cases of black fungus or mucormycosis. It is a rare fungal infection which affects patients who have recently recovered from COVID 19. Mucormycosis or black fungus is an aggressive and invasive fungal infection which is caused by a group of molds called as Mucormycetes. And yes, it is a communicable disease. It can be found anywhere in the environment, mainly in the soil and decaying organic matter. For example, leaves, compost, the place where you burn wastes. Decayed woods are also the source for this. It is primarily affecting people who have recently recovered from COVID because the immune system is comparatively weaker and it is more vulnerable to any fungal attack. Moreover, it can also occur in people who are immunocompromised or take medicines to lower the body's ability to fight germs and sickness. One of the main reasons that triggers mucormycosis in patients post COVID 19 is the indiscriminate use of high dose of steroids, sometimes even in minimally symptomatic patients. This leads to spikes in the sugar level in the diabetics, which in turn makes them vulnerable. Therefore, wise and rational use of steroids is necessary, and constant monitoring of sugar levels and use of insulin to control the levels if required is essential. It can affect various organs, but it is currently affecting the ear, nose, throat, and mouth. It can cause a lot of damage internally and can be fatal if not detected early. Through an estimate, it is now known that there are 0.14 cases per 1000 individuals in India. Diabetes mellitus was reported in 54 to 76% of cases according to a report. The common name black fungus is in reference to blackening of the affected parts, and that is the characteristic of the disease. Its symptoms include fever, one-sided face swelling, headache, blackish discoloration of the skin, swelling of the eyelids, double vision, redness of the eyes, and sudden decrease in the vision. Other symptoms are nasal or sinus congestion, bloody, blackish or brown discharge from the nose, chest pain, shortness of breath, etc. Main treatment is providing an antifungal drug injection called amphotericin B, strictly guided by a physician. In severe cases, surgery is needed to remove the fungus growth. It is important to keep COVID patients' oxygen masks sterile to prevent the infection. Like most illnesses, if detected early, mucormycosis can be cured. Stay away from construction sites. Avoid dust areas. Wear full sleeves and gloves while gardening or farming. Avoid going near water leakage and drainage areas, and wash your hands properly. We have been wearing a mask which is used multiple times. Once we wear it, due to humidity in our breathing, it gets wet, which we don't feel. Then the mask is being used for 3 to 5 days. A perfect atmosphere for growth of fungus which we breathe. So it is recommended to wash the mask daily or change it or dry it in pure sunlight so no fungus grows on it. That's all. Thank you and have a good day.